Looking for an easy way to send and manage invoices? In this review, we'll cover the key features, pros, and cons so you can decide if it's right for your business. QuickBooks Invoice is designed for freelancers, small businesses, and anyone who needs to bill clients professionally. You can create customized invoices with your logo, payment terms, and itemized services. The platform supports recurring invoices, automatic reminders, and multiple payment options, including credit cards, ACH transfers, and even Apple Pay in 2025. One big update this year is smarter invoice tracking. You can now see when clients open your invoice, schedule follow ups, and get real time notifications once payments are made. Users love that it's fast, professional looking, and integrates seamlessly with QuickBooks bookkeeping. Payments go straight into your books, which saves time during tax season. The mobile app also makes it super convenient to send invoices on the go. On the downside, transaction fees can add up if most of your clients pay by card. Customization is somewhat limited compared to full design software. And if you need advanced features like multi currency support or complex estimates, you may have to upgrade to higher QuickBooks tiers. So in 2025, QuickBooks Invoice is still one of the best invoicing tools for freelancers and small businesses who want simple, professional, and reliable billing. If you're already in the QuickBooks ecosystem, it's a no-brainer. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.